Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we're doing an in the post, and this is in the post number 66. Firstly, a huge thanks goes out to a lady who supplies coins to another person, and that's Makamula or Glenn. Her name is Jude S, and a huge thank you to her. I saw a coin that Makamula was showing, a £5 coin, and I needed it for my particular collection. And it's the Anton Cordial coin. Fortunately, Jude had a second one, and Glenn arranged for her to send it to him, and he sent it on to me. But thank you very much, Jude. I am so grateful that you were able to get Glenn this coin for me, and I look forward to doing the video about it. The second coin we have for this one is a 10 yen coin. Now these 10 yen coins are normally the animal zodiac coins from the year of, and 2024 is the year of the dragon, and this is the year of the dragon coin. It's still inside its plastic wrap at the moment. I will be doing a thing about that, the year of the dragon. This one is the Tudor dragon. Yet another one. I have the £5 coins, which I get all the time from the blue card version. I also ordered the Royal Mint BU pack, so I'll have both of those to do a video on as well. Next one, I've just been given this. This is one of the boxes that is for the Jurassic Park set. I didn't realise those were in there actually. This is a Jurassic Park set, and it's to fit the three. We've already had the T-Rex, we now have the Stegosaurus. And I have 1, 2, my standard 3 BU cards to go with it, the blue cards. The reason I do this is one goes into my blue card collection, one goes into my date run, the third one is available for me to do whatever I want with. That brings me to these two here. They're the second and third card I've got for the blue cards for the Royal National Lifeboat Institute. I had one already, and of the same belongs to the three as these two, will be either going into my blue card collection, going into my date run when I take them out of the blue cards, or it will go into my it will be into my blue card collection. I do have 3 of them now, so I can do the 2 that I wanted to do. This next one is the American women's quarters. It's the first one for this year, and it's this middle one with hope in it. And that is Reverend Dr. Paulie Murray. And on the back of this, now I ordered the full year's subscription, so hopefully they'll all come to me over the next year or so. And on the back we have the 2 coins, one from the Denver Mint, one from the Philadelphia Mint, and I'll be doing a review on that a bit later on. I do also have 2 pieces of silver, both of them from the Royal Mint. And the first one is a baby's Hello Little One. It's a baby's coin that you could buy to commemorate the birth of a child for 2024, and it's a silver penny. And it's a silver penny with the crowned gate, portcullis, which is on the House of Commons paperwork, but it was also part of the Henry VII's mother's coat of arms. So that's a 2024 silver penny for the little ones for this year. But if you're just at the start of your relationship with somebody and you're planning your wedding, this is the wedding sixpence. I think towards the end of the year, this sixpence, I think it may change the reverse slightly and become the Christmas sixpence that you put into the puddings towards the end of the year. But this is a wedding one for the early part of the year. And I got these just around about Valentine's Day, so they came in just in time if you're having a Valentine's wedding. However, again, these 2 coins will have their own reviews. So, overall, we have 2 pieces of silver, a silver 6-penny bit, or 6 pence, so it's 6p rather than 6d. We have the new penny, or the portcullis penny. We have the two coins, Philadelphia and Denver Mint, for the first of the female series this year. We have 2 copies of the RNLI coin in the blue card version. We have 3 copies of the Stegosaurus in the 3-card version. We then also have the Stegosaurus. We have the Tudor Beast, which is the dragon. We have the dragon coin from China, and we have the Antin Cordial £5 coin. So there's quite a bit there, as you can see. My hope is that you've enjoyed them all, and what I'm going to do now is just put them into the bag. And I do have one final part of this once I've got these in the bag. So, there's one to go in the bag. The more Stegosaurus, the blue cards, the American quarters, and the 2 pieces of silver. Those will all have their own unique number, etc. Now, because I get things from the Westminster collection, I now have some cards to go in there as well. These are cards that have come with various Westminster products, and 1 or 2, for instance, I've got the Mary Rose there. Already have the card in the bottom corner here. This was given to me by Makamura, and just as he's arrived, I got that one to put into the album before it arrived from him. First one that will be going into the album is this one, which is a 1996 Euros. So the 1996 Euros. So that's I've got the Commonwealth Games, I've now got the Euros. I've got the Britannia there from 2020, 2015, 2016, 2021 and 2022, although we've not seen the 2021 or 2022. That one goes in there. We have a Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale, what year was that? 2010. Oh. Mary Rose was 2011, so we need to get that one out and move it along. The Britannia, so we've got Florence Nightingale, Mary Rose, and we need to move this one into the next area. Now, there is some confusion over, they said there was going to be 11 cards, and they showed a picture with a load of cards in on a change checker thing. It had the Commonwealth Games from Scotland, it had the 1996 Euros, the Northern Ireland Commonwealth Games coin from 2002, it showed the DNA 2003, the end of European War of, that's the St Paul's one. We've then got the Florence Nightingale down in this bottom corner here. We've got the Florence Nightingale here, we've got the Mary Rose here, and we've got the Britannia there, the 2015-16 Britannia. Now the other ones that we thought we knew about were the Shakespeare's Tragedies and Histories and the Great Fire of London, which meant to say we've got one card there that I still don't know about. However, when I originally did the sets, I didn't know about the Mary Rose and I didn't know about the Florence Nightingale. So that's 2 extra cards I didn't know about, but we had 9 that we did know about. So I'm a little confused at the moment. Now, if anybody's got a definitive list out there, I know Makamura sent me one list, but if you could send me a list if you know what they are, I would be very grateful. Now, that's just a spare card there, by the way. So, the latest £2 sets is, we have, as I say, I have the Commonwealth Games, I have the Euro Championships from 1996, the football one. Then we have 3 that we believe are going to be in the set, which is the Commonwealth Games Northern Ireland, the DNA, and the end of the European World War II, which is a St Paul's coin. Now, I need, as I say, to find out what this one card I don't know about, and whether there's any cards in here that I've got wrong. So hopefully you'll be able to help me get that sorted out. Whoops. It's me being a bit clumsy. I also have had 2 cards from Change Checker that were from the old original Blue Cards series. So those will go into my spares. If anybody does need either the series 1, 2, 3 or the gold cards, 1, 2, 3, 4 or the gold cards, please let me know. I do have spares for them. I also have a spare Mary Rose now, thanks to Glenn, who, as I say, at the time that he offered it me, I did need that card. It's just that one of the deliveries actually had the Mary Rose in it, and during the time Glenn told me about it and it actually got to me, I picked it up from a Westminster Cards Westminster collection package. If you've enjoyed this in the post, could you please give me the thumbs up? If you haven't yet subscribed, could you please think about doing so? I'm trying to reach to 425 by the end of this year, 2024. Currently I'm on around about 285, so I'm a fair few short. We're looking here about the end of February. I think it's the 27th today. So if you can help me out and you believe I deserve this, I will be very grateful for your subscription. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, then I hope you get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 5, but usually 6 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.